All right, good morning, welcome. Hey, are you ready for this?
I am so ready.
Yeah, good. First adjustment. Yeah, you should be excited.
I'm a little nervous.
I hear you, that's normal. Anytime you do something for the first time, it's okay to be a little nervous. I'm here to help you, not hurt you though. So let's get right in here, Miss Christina. Let's have you take a breath in and all the way out. Good. Good job, man.
Oh, that felt good.
Now, let's get this side up. Face me this way. Here, I'm gonna bring this piece up right there. Good, nice and relaxed. And just relax your leg here. I'm gonna slide you towards me, Christina.
All right.
Get you off of your shoulder. There we go. And right there. And now, this L5 right here. This is gonna be a good one. Release of tension, pressure. Take a breath in and all the way out. Yes, ma'am. Good job. And now we'll face this way. That was great.
That was a good one.
And off of this shoulder. Good. Right there. And again, oh, already take a breath in, all the way out. Wow.
Oh
now
gosh.
on your back, face up. Relax. Here, let me fix this for you. This is the ankle, knee, and hip adjustment. So stay nice and relaxed here, ma'am. Good.
Oh,
Gonna be about a quarter of an inch taller.
oh.
You'll take that, huh?
Yes.
Let's have your arms right here. This is a stretch. Good, and now you can just relax right there, Miss Christina. I'm gonna lower your hip piece here. And relax. Good, right over here. Good.
Oh
and same thing over.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
That felt great.
Good. That's what we like to hear. Good job.